The job description of a warehouse picker centers on the accurate selection and preparation of goods for shipment in a warehouse or distribution environment. This role plays a fundamental part in the logistics and supply chain process, ensuring that customer orders are fulfilled efficiently, correctly, and on time. Warehouse pickers are the operational backbone of fulfillment centers, working behind the scenes to keep products moving from storage shelves to outbound delivery docks. A warehouse picker is responsible for locating specific products within a warehouse, retrieving them from shelves or bins, and preparing them for packaging and dispatch. These professionals often work in large storage facilities where inventory is organized systematically using barcode systems, RFID tags, or digital inventory management software. Speed, accuracy, and physical stamina are essential qualities in this role, as pickers may be required to cover large areas on foot or use equipment like forklifts, pallet jacks, or order pickers to access higher shelves. At the core of the job description of a warehouse picker is the need to ensure order accuracy while meeting daily productivity targets. A single error in selecting a product can delay shipments, affect customer satisfaction, and disrupt the entire supply chain. Therefore, attention to detail is crucial. Warehouse pickers must verify product numbers, quantities, and locations, often cross-checking them with digital order systems or handheld scanners to confirm that the correct items are selected. Daily operations and picking methods. The daily routine of a warehouse picker begins with reviewing the picking list or receiving digital instructions via a warehouse management system, WMS. This list includes details such as product codes, locations, and quantities. Depending on the size of the warehouse, pickers may use manual processes or automated systems to guide them through their tasks. There are several picking methods used depending on the warehouse layout and order volume. In single order picking, the warehouse picker selects items for one order at a time. In batch picking, they retrieve items for multiple orders in one go and then sort them later. Zone picking assigns each picker a specific area of the warehouse, where they only pick items stored in the designated zone. Regardless of the method, the end goal remains the same: ensure that the right products reach the right customers in the right condition. Pickers often handle various types of goods, ranging from food items and retail products to industrial supplies, and may be required to operate in temperature-controlled environments such as freezers or cold storage rooms. The ability to lift, carry, and move products, sometimes weighing up to 50 pounds or more, is frequently required. Safety awareness is also a major component, as pickers work around machinery and moving equipment in fast-paced settings. Inventory accuracy and quality control. Midway through the job description of a warehouse picker, it becomes evident that their contribution to inventory management is substantial. Accurate picking helps maintain inventory records and ensures stock levels are up to date. Any discrepancies, such as damaged items, missing products, or shelf misplacements, must be reported promptly to supervisors or inventory control staff. Pickers may also participate in periodic stock counts or cycle counts, where they help verify the actual inventory against recorded quantities. This minimizes the risk of stockouts, overstocking, or customer complaints. Quality control is another area of responsibility. Pickers are expected to inspect products for damage, defects, or expiration before moving them for packing. They ensure that items are clean, presentable, and properly labeled. Proper documentation is essential. Whether using paper-based logs or mobile scanning devices, warehouse pickers are responsible for updating order statuses, confirming completion, and alerting team leads about any issues. This helps maintain an accurate and transparent flow of information throughout the warehouse operations. Collaboration, equipment use, and safety protocols. Warehouse pickers work closely with packers, inventory specialists, warehouse supervisors, and logistics teams. Clear communication is key to maintaining a smooth workflow. For instance, If a picker encounters a misplaced item or incorrect label, they must coordinate with the appropriate personnel to resolve the issue without delaying the picking process. The role often involves using various types of warehouse equipment. These may include forklifts, electric pallet jacks, hand trucks, and conveyor systems. Training and certification may be required depending on the type of machinery used. Pickers must follow operational protocols for each piece of equipment and use personal protective equipment, PPE, such as gloves, safety shoes, high-visibility vests, or back braces. Safety is a top priority. Warehouses can be hazardous environments if safety measures are not adhered to. Pickers must be aware of their surroundings, follow safety signage, and practice proper lifting techniques to avoid injury. Fire safety drills, emergency exits, and spill handling procedures are often part of their routine training. Skills, qualifications, and work environment. To succeed in the role of a warehouse picker, individuals must possess a combination of physical endurance, mental focus, and a strong work ethic. Basic literacy and numeracy skills are necessary to read orders and follow picking instructions. Familiarity with handheld scanners, barcode readers, and warehouse software is a plus, as most warehouses have transitioned to digital systems. While formal education is not always required, a high school diploma or equivalent is commonly preferred by employers. Prior experience in a warehouse, retail stockroom, or logistics center can also be advantageous. Many organizations provide on-the-job training to help new hires get accustomed to warehouse procedures and safety regulations. Work environments can vary. Some pickers work in 24/7 facilities with rotating shifts, including nights, weekends, and holidays. The atmosphere can be physically demanding and fast-paced, especially during peak seasons like holidays or promotional sales events. Despite the challenges, warehouse pickers enjoy job stability, advancement opportunities, and, in many cases, incentive-based pay structures that reward high performance. Conclusion: the job description of a warehouse picker underscores the essential role these individuals play in the modern logistics and fulfillment process. Their ability to select the correct items quickly and accurately ensures that orders are processed without error, directly impacting customer satisfaction and business success. By combining efficiency, attention to detail, and a commitment to safety, warehouse pickers help maintain the flow of goods from the warehouse floor to the customer's door. As e-commerce and supply chain demands continue to grow, the contributions of warehouse pickers remain more relevant than ever. Whether in a small warehouse or a sprawling distribution center, their work keeps inventory moving and businesses running smoothly.